Hello, I will show you in this video how to make a booking using your platform. To access the booking engine platform, let's go to the main menu, click in booking and then web. You will be redirected to your website. This is the website your players will see when making a booking for your golf course in your website. This page can be absolutely customized depending on your needs. You can add your own logo, a picture for the header, a picture for each button. Here you can add more than one picture, like book golf, book tennis, book any other sport, book at the restaurant, book a lesson, join a golf tournament, get a voucher. You can do many things in this homepage. Okay, and also you can customize obviously every test that is in this page. But for now, let's continue with this simple example. Let's click book golf. Let's select the date, Saturday. I'm going to play at 10 o'clock. We are going to be two players, Mike and Thomas. And I'm going to add a golf cart to my booking. We can make this page look much nicer if we add a picture and a description in our rates. Also, you can add more than one rate here and here. You can add green fee 9 holes, green fee guest, green fee member, etc. And here you can add club rentals, electric trolleys, etc. etc. Let's continue. We will land in the cart page. And here we can continue in two ways. We can create an account and pay, or we can continue as a guest. This option is not mandatory. We recommend it to make the player's experience better, faster, but again, it's not mandatory. For now, let's continue as a guest. I will need to type my email to receive a confirmation email. I will need to accept terms and conditions, and I'm going to click confirm. I don't have any payment gateway activated in this demo now. If I had, I will need to type my credit card details. For now, let's confirm. I will get this confirmation page. I will also get a confirmation email. And now let's go to the back office to see the results of this booking for Saturday. Let's go to Saturday and we see the booking we just made. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let's continue with the next step at the checklist and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.